Here's how to add images to a PowerPoint presentation. Open a project in Microsoft PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want the picture. Click the Insert tab. Click the arrow below Pictures. A drop-down menu will open. Click This Device. A new window will open for you to browse your device for a picture to add. Select the photo you want and click Insert. If you want to add and select multiple photos, hold down Control key and click each photo you want to add, and then click Insert. You can also drag and drop a picture file directly onto the PowerPoint slide. Adjust your image to fit your slide. If you want to use an image as the slide background, do the following. Right-click the margin of the slide. Select Format Background. In the right pane, select Picture or Texture Fill. Select Insert under Picture Source. Select from a file, stock images, online pictures, or from icons. Select the photo and click Insert. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.